What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the could not find the recovery environment error you're getting on your PC. This issue usually comes up when you try to reset your PC and the system can't locate the necessary recovery environment. This error can be caused by two main issues: the recovery environment being disabled or the recovery partition being deleted. If it's disabled, the partition exists, but it's simply not active. If it has been deleted, you won't be able to reset your PC unless the partition is restored. The first thing you need to check is if the recovery environment is disabled. To do this, search for Disk Management in your Start menu search and press Enter. Once in Disk Management, check to see if the recovery partition exists. If it's there, but you're still facing the error, it's likely that the recovery environment has been disabled. To enable the recovery environment, open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for CMD in your Start menu, right-clicking Command Prompt and selecting Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command to check the current status of the recovery environment: reagent-c/info. This will show you whether the recovery environment is enabled or disabled. If it's disabled, it's the reason you're seeing the error. To enable it, type reagent-c/enable. Once you run this command, you should see a message saying Operation Successful. To double check, you can run the reagent-info command again, and it should show you the status as enabled, with the location of the recovery environment. Now that the recovery environment is enabled, let's make sure the problem is resolved. Go to your settings, select Windows Update, and go to Advanced Options. From there, choose Recovery and click on Reset this PC. You'll be given two options: Keep my files or Remove everything. After selecting your option, you should no longer see the could not find the recovery environment error, and your PC will proceed with the reset. If you didn't see the recovery partition in Disk Management, this means it has been deleted. Unfortunately, if the recovery partition is missing, you won't be able to reset your PC through the standard process. The only way to fix this is to restore or recreate the recovery partition. If you've previously created a Windows 11 recovery backup, you can use that to restore it. Many computer manufacturers include recovery tools when you first set up the system. So if you've created one, now it's the time to use it. If you don't have a backup, you need to reinstall your Windows version. You can do this by typing Reset this PC in your Start menu search and pressing Enter to open the Settings app. Here, select Reinstall Now next to the Fix Problems using Windows Update option. This will allow you to perform a fresh installation of Windows 11 while also preserving your data files. After Windows is freshly installed and repaired in the process, the could not find the recovery environment problem will be fixed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.